15th question. So when I move into the 16th question, the question is e to e square into dx by x. It is the question. So I can write this as integral of e to e square 1 by x into dx. If I do the integration, it will be log x into e to e square, right? So if I substitute that, log e power 2 minus log e. So log and e can get cancelled. Finally, I will be getting, so here I can write log e square minus log e. Again I can write it as 2 into log e minus log e. So log and e will get cancelled. Here it will be 2 minus 1. So the answer will be 1 for the 16th question. And for 17th question, the integral of 0 to pi by 2 sine 2x plus pi by 4 into dx. So here when I differentiate that, see here it is pi by 4, it is varying from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so here pi by 4 will behave as a constant, and instead of x I am going to substitute this limit. So when I differentiate this sine 2x plus 4, I will be getting minus cos 2x plus pi by 4, and in the denominator I have to differentiate this and write. So it will be 2, and the limit is from 0 to pi by 2. As 2 is a constant, I can take it out as minus 1 by 2 into cos 2x plus pi by 4, and the limit is from 0 to pi by 2. When I substitute upper limit here, it will be minus 1 by 2 into cos 2 into pi by 2 plus pi by 4. It will be the upper limit minus the lower limit is cos 2 into 0 plus pi by 4. So here I can write it as this 2 can get cancelled. So it will be minus 1 by 2 into cos pi plus pi by 4. It is the upper limit minus, and the lower limit is cos pi by 4. Because 2 into 0, instead of x we have substituted 0. So it will become as 0. It is cos pi by 4. So cos pi plus pi by 4 in the sense 180 plus pi by 4. So it will come in the third quadrant. So in the third quadrant cos is negative, but the ratio will not change as it is an even multiple of 90, right? 2 into 90 is 180. So this will become as minus 1 by 2 into minus cos pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. So cos pi by 4 is cos 45 degree, which is 1 by root 2. So I can write it as minus 1 by 2, which is common outside, minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So I will be getting the answer as minus 1 by 2, which is minus 2 by divided by root 2. So this minus and minus will become as plus, 2 will get cancelled. Finally the answer will be 1 by root 2. This is the answer for 17th question. And the 18th question is integration is from 0 to 1 by x plus 1 into dx. Now see here, if I differentiate this denominator, I will be getting the numerator. So when I do that, it will be log of x plus 1, and the limit is from 0 to 1. When I substitute the upper limit, it will be log 1 plus 1 minus log 0 plus 1. So it will be log 2 minus log 1. The log 1 is 0. So I will be getting the answer as log 2. And the 19th question is integral of minus 1 to 1. It will be 3x plus 2 the whole cube into dx. The same formula, x power n formula. If I substitute, I will be getting 3x plus 2 power 4 divided by 4 into, if I differentiate this inside function, it will be 3. and the limit is from -1 to 1. So here 3x plus 2 power 4 divided by 12, and I can write it as -1 to 1. You can write 1 by 12 as outside if you get confusion in the calculation. So when I substitute the upper limit, it will be 3 into 1 plus 2 whole power 4 minus, what is the lower limit? It is -1. So 3 into -1 plus 2 the whole power 4. So what I will get, 1 by 12, it is there common. So 3 plus 2, it will be 5 power 4 minus, it is here it will be -3 and plus 2. So obviously it will be 1 power, so -1 power 4. So -1 power 4, it is 1 power 4 1. So 1 by 12 into 625 minus 1. So the answer will be 624 divided by 12. So when I do the calculation, we will be getting the answer as 52. This is the answer for 19th question. Now let us move to the final question. The 20th question is the integral from 0 to 4 1 by root x into dx. So here I can write this as integral of 0 to 4 1 by x power 1 by 2 into dx, which is equal to integral of 0 to 4 x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. So the same formula, x power n formula, which is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1, it will be half divided by half, 0 to 4. And when I substitute into the x, the upper limit is 4 power 1 by 2 minus 0 power 1 by 2, the whole divided by 1 by 2. So I can rearrange it. So this 2 will come up in the numerator. It will be root 4 minus 0. So root 4 is 2. 2 minus 0 is finally 2. So 2 into 2. Finally I will be getting the answer 4. Here I did nothing. So x power minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1, it will be 1 by 2. So I directly wrote here as 1 by 2 and in the denominator 1 by 2. I am just taking as it is in 1 by 2, this will come to the numerator. Okay. And instead of x, I will substitute upper limit minus a lower limit. So that's what I have written. So 4 power 1 by 2, that can be written as root 4, which means, for example, root of x only we have written as x power 1 by 2. In the same way we have done this question. So for 20 questions we have seen.